Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to make beautiful dangler using these sugar beads. So I took white color beads and 0.4 mm copper wire. So for this wire initially we are going to insert the beads like this. So totally about 4.5 inch length what I am planning for one line. So proportionately I have to take about 13-inch length beads through this wire. So our beads are ready, inserted. Now I'm going to cut them into 4.5 inch beads level and leaving 2 inch wire both the sides like this. After leaving 2 inch wire, then 4.5 inch beads, then again I am going to leave 2 inch wire and then cut like this. I'm going to take 3 portions of such lengthy beaded wire. This is 1, 2 and finally 3. So 3 layers are ready here. So once it is done, as I told you that initial 2 inches whatever I said, leaving the 2 inches, I started twisting these 3 into one stand. So like this. So as thoroughly as you twist, there will be so many layers formed like this, like twisted layers. So once you feel it is tight enough and no more you can twist it, then hold it together and start twisting all 6 stands like this. So with the help of the tools I am going to make all the 6 stands uniformly as a one line. So once it is done, using no spin I am going to make a loop here so that we can attach the fish hook wire. So like this I made a beautiful loop also. So once the loop is done, the excess wire we will cut it off. So like this it will be using some round material caps or something. You can give a nice shape to these earrings also like this. So finally we are going to attach this with the hook wire, fish hook wire. So likewise our beautiful earrings are ready. Very lightweight, very minimum materials are required and very less time also we will take to make these earrings. See here beautiful colors I have used like pink, red, white and all. If you are looking for a materials or else ready to product purchase, you can feel free to contact us. Stay tuned, we will meet you with the next super cute video. Thank you so much.